goodness.
Mom, you play with me?
What you got there?
I got all of it, and it's just gonna get all that unicorn.
What do you mean? Where, there's a unicorn?
We should have twinkle. We have blue twinkle, and it has pink,
Pink.
and gonna open it. Can you open it?
Let me see.
What's gonna open
Mommy?
it?
What?
Can you sleep in the cellar? Because the sand is the warmest place. It's always hot up here.
Yeah, you don't have enough beds up here, I guess. Huh?
Mommy, I have blue. Blue, I have blue.
You have blue, and that's the unicorn?
And I'm just
Can
gonna
you see
touch it. And take it out the slime. And
Mommy, there's also a clear slime.
and this a unicorn.
Oh, it's so cute.
You got the pieces?
Yeah. But I can't open this with one hand.
Open it.
You open it. Algo fuerte. Fuerte, fuerte.
Mommy, look at my slime.
Wow.
It wasn't a whistle.
You poured glitter all over it?
The whole bag.
You wanna like me?
Yeah.
Mommy, you wanna play with this?
Sure.
Mommy, look at this one.
That one has...
Look at this one. This one has Orbeez. This one has sprinkles. Sprinkles.
Like it.
What's wrong with something with this?
Okay, Hannah, open up the pink one, you said.
Huh?
Open up this pink one.
What's wrong with something with this one?
Mommy, you can.
Christian, can you help her open that
Open
one?
it.
Oh,
You open it. Mommy, you have all of these. And this
you're supposed to turn it.
Okay.
Yeah. There, Hannah.
And this is gonna make a rainbows.
Mm-hmm.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it. So squishy.
Mommy, look at this as glitter.
You wanna play with this, Mom?
This is the color of oil.
Mommy, you wanna play with this?
Sure. Hold on.
Play with this.
Let me see.
Mom.
Ooh.
No color what? No color tablet.
Wow. Okay. We'll put it down. We'll put it down right here. There.
No, play with this.
Wow. Do you have anything I can shape it with?
Yeah.
Look, it almost looks like it's turning blue just because it's on a blue table.
You're sticky.
Oh, it's not stuck to yours.
Got it.
Oh my gosh, I got an idea. You see this spatula, Hannah?
It's sticky.
What if we just went?
We make a boot. We got a white.
Mommy.
We got a purple.
Mommy, look
and
at the slime.
orange.
It's like we can mix everything.
But look at what I did to this pink one with the spatula. I pressed it and I made a spatula mark.
I want to try to make one. Spatula. Oh my
You
god,
gotta push it down really hard.
this side or whatever side?
Yeah.
Mommy.
I think the other side.
No, it's
Like
just,
rainbow.
It is.
It's
oh my
rainbow.
god!
Oh my god.
Hannah mixed the clear one with this yellow or orange one.
No, it's red. No, that's my favorite one.
That's okay. She just made more. She put two together and made one. Are you gonna mix it? Let's see, mix it.
I'm gonna do this. The more glitter, the more pretty.
I'm trying to make
Hannah's cooking now. All right, Hannah. Looks like we're eating
Wow, sticky
slime for
hard.
dinner.
Ah.
Go put it on the heat, Hannah. Go put it on your kitchen.
The kitchen.
Yeah, go put it on your stove. Turn up the heat. That's really bad focus, this camera.
Huh?
This camera, the way it doesn't focus.
Why?
Alright, roast it like some roast beef. How long is it gonna wait?
10,000.
Ding! Is it ready?
Yeah.
Wow, you got some plates?
Huh?
Do you have any plates?
How we got water?
We don't have any plates?
No, but I think that one.
We have plates
Okay.
right. These are little plates.
Okay.
Maybe gonna down, and plate and down.
Okay. Wait, no, wait, Hannah. You do right there in that box.
Papa.
No, over here. Yep, right in there, in the Disney bag. You see?
I wonder when people are ashamed of themselves.
What?
Will they look ugly? But you guys don't.
That's not very nice.
Sorry. Just some ugly kid.
Stop it. Let me see your slime. Oh my goodness, imagine if it was alive. Like the movie Flubber. But you were too little when that movie came out, but
Navi.
let's see, Hannah. Serve some slime.
Make it blue.
Food. What are we going to call this food, Hannah?
Mommy.
Slime. Blue.
Mm-hmm.
Not the light parts, the darkest
Slime.
part. Like,
Slime.
You want me to look through it? Let me see.
look through that part.
Wow.
Wow, look at me.
Oh my god. I just want to add some. Oh, I just want to add some of this. Some oil in it. That way it's a lot more glue.
Do it again, Hannah. Go. I think the balls are falling out of it.
Huh?
The more she squeezes it, those balls come out, the little white ones. Hannah, maybe we should invite some friends. Look at all those toys you have over there. Which friend do you want to bring over here to eat
I
some slime?
want to bring munchies.
I'm talking about like toy friends that can pretend like they're eating some slime. A baby doll? Okay. What's her name, Hannah?
Her name is Ah. Her name is Ah. You dare me to lick it?
No, because it's like loose glitter on there.
Oh my
Get
god.
in your mouth.
Hello.
You too, babies. Wait, if they don't sit, you can always sit them on their little seat, like this one. Yeah. Bring over a stroller.
Bring over your eyes. Oh god, I actually fell on my eye earlier.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go check on your baby sister downstairs. Okay, I'll be right back.
Okay.
To be continued. Okay.